Good morning, Alif Rose.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
You are having interview on 22nd in Trivandrum. So, can you please tell us about yourself briefly?
Okay, sure, sir. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ali Froz, and I am from Kollam, Kerala. I did my master's in computer application from Marian College, Kuttikaram, where I specialized in DevOps engineering. And my family consists of my parents, my grandparents, and my sister. She is working as a customer service associate at South Indian Bank.
Mm.
And if I speak about myself, I believe that I'm a person with strong leadership qualities. In my college and in my school time, I was a commander of the NCC, like the National Cadet Corps, where I managed 50 people under my cadre. So there also I started developing my leadership qualities. While in my spare time, while talking about my hobbies, in my spare time, I spend my time by listening to podcast, reading books, and gaming and portrait photography as well. These kind of activities that keeps me very sharp and focused. Sir, I assure you one thing, and I will handle any task that assigned to me in a very responsible way, and I will a standing pillar for the growth and success for the federal bank. Thank you, sir.
Tell us about your family.
So my family, my mother, she's working as a so my mother, she is working in a government KIP, Kalada irrigation project, and my father, he is working as a manager in Saudi in a supermarket. And my sister, she is a customer service associate at South Indian Bank.
Mhm. Good. You studied MCA.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Which languages you studied during your, say, degree and post graduation?
Sir, in degree, actually, I studied the Python programming, and in for the MCA, I specialized in the DevOps engineering. Like it's with the networking plus the operations of the IT DevOps. Yeah. So in
No,
MCA, I'm more focused on networking side, sir.
very good. So, talking about network, what are the different types of networks that are there?
There are different type of networks: local area network, wide area network, and the like metropolitan area network.
What
Like this.
is what do you understand by topology? Which topologies are there?
So there are different kind of topologies like the bus topology, mesh topology, star topology, and also the tree topology as well. There are five of them, and it is completely based on the way we are connecting the device to the connecting the device in an order. Like in the topology, we are connecting like example, four devices in a one hub. So it's arranged in the form of star. And the tree topology, like we are connecting in the form of we are connecting multiple devices into in the form of we are connecting multiple
What
devices
is
into.
what is NPCI?
Sir, it's a National Payment Corporation of India. It is responsible for making the like the payment procedures, and all. UPI is also initiated by the NPCI.
Good. Now, what are the other platforms that are there with NPCI?
Sir, sorry. Apart from that, like we have the digital trust digital. I think digital trust agency. Yeah, sir. It is used to recognize and like reduce the amount of the cyber fraud activities and the banning of the illegal vending apps. So we all know like there are different kind of lending apps are available, like in the form of games or something, and people are putting their money inside in that, and they are even losing their money also. So the digita is to reduce this kind of risk and fraudulent activities.
No, I think you have not understood my question. I was asking, what are the different platforms of our NPCI besides UPI?
Okay, sir. Besides UPI,
You are not familiar
okay.
with it. I will show you. You are
Okay.
not studied. Or even if you have studied, you are not able to recollect that this is the answer you have to give. They are doing this many things. Are you seeing on the screen?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please read out.
Yeah, sir. Rupee, BIM, NACH, IMPS,
What is the expansion of NACH?
NACH, I don't know, sir. NACH.
National Automated Clearing House.
Okay.
Continue.
IMPS, CTS, NFS, AEPS, EKYS services, BIM Aadhaar, e-Rupee, AutoPay, IPO, UPI 123 Pay, UPI Lite, credit card on UPI, UPI Circle. Yeah, sir.
Very good. Excellent. In fact, so many new things have come. If they want, they can. I don't know many of the new things. What is
Okay.
UPI circle? I don't know. So you please, as a computer boy, you must go through this website and
Okay,
get
okay.
to know what it is. Okay,
Okay,
good.
sir. Okay.
Now, which bank you are having account?
Sir, actually, I have account on the Federal Bank and I have account on the South Indian Bank as well.
Both opposite banks. Acha, acha.
Yeah, sir.
Good.
Because my
Yeah,
sister
it's
is
okay,
working
fine.
in
It is okay, fine. So Federal Bank account is with which branch?
sir, Kollam Patanapuram branch, sir.
Last time, when did you visit that?
I think it's 1 year ago, I think.
Why don't you visit? Your interview is on 22nd only now.
Yeah.
Please visit that branch tomorrow and
Okay.
withdraw some money or pay, remit some money into the account and talk
Okay.
to them, talk to the manager, tell him that you have got receipt for, say, interview. Talk to them, whatever they say, you can collect information and also you can tell positive ideas about that branch in the interview. Many
Okay.
times they ask, have you visited the branch? When did you visit the branch last? What are your views regarding the branch? So please visit. But
Okay.
don't, I mean, it is not a secret, it is recorded, but still, I have been telling most of my candidates to go to the nearest Federal Bank branch and form an opinion positively and tell it in the interview. They will ask, you need not tell the positive views. They will ask you and you have to tell that. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, please tell me what is the job role of a probationary officer?
Sir, as a probationary officer, we have to like we have to sir, we have to yeah, sir, as a probation officer, we have to be we have to be aware of the banking terms and we have to be aware of the process that is that is happening in the bank, like that even starting from the basic transactions and
You are not understood my question. I am asking what is the job role? What is
yeah,
the
sir.
work he has to do? I
Sir,
think I have given you a material on that.
yeah,
Did you
I
go?
didn't refer that particular question, sir. Right?
You have not
Yes.
studied that.
No, not like that. Actually, particular question that I missed.
You are not understood it correctly. Please tell me what is the job role of a probationary officer?
Sir, I'm unaware of it. I
Why?
don't-
It has been given to you in a material given to you, and it is there very much in this. I will show you. You can't see it now. I will show it to you. Have I give? You have seen this material given by me
yeah, yes, sir, yes.
in this. Please read this. But of course, in the interview, you will not be telling fully like this, but
Okay.
you will tell only a portion of it, how to make it. So let it have it like this. Now, please read customer acquisition.
Yes, sir. Customer acquisition, business surveys, augmentation of parabanking income, and assisting the team in achieving all the business targets of the bank. Uh, front-end customer-facing role to meet the expected standards of external and internal customer service rendered by the branch by ensuring process standardization, timely service, inculcation of customer-centric culture, and strong operational controls in accordance with the quality standards of the bank. Ensuring customer delight by personally attending the customers who visit the branch and assisting them with the banking operations and functions.
Just a minute.
Okay. Providing
Provide. Uh,
providing financial solutions to customers to find an appropriate banking product as per their need or requirement, to meet and exceed their expectation by offering assistance through cross-selling of banking and third-party products. Uh, handling retail operations of the branch, example, sales and processing of liability and asset products, cash operations management, front office management, managing on-site and off-site ATMs, strong room operations, passing of checks, issuance of demand draft, ATM cards, and checkbooks.
One minute.
Working,
1 minute.
okay.
Working towards.
Working towards achieving the business targets of the branch as well as the assigned individual targets by continuously enhancing the relationship with the customers, meeting prospective customers, and adding them to the existing client base. Assisting in digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers. So, liaison with senior official or peers of the branch and ensure that the day-to-day operations of the branch are well executed diligently, and adhering and complying with various audit and quality norms or standards of the bank. Develop a learning attitude for self and motivate others by consistently updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in the global financial market. And learn people management, develop a capability to manage his or her own team in future. And
That's
any other
good.
one?
That need not be told. That need not be told. So I request you to go through that once again and make out your own brief answer. You can't be talking this much length.
Oh, yeah, yes,
Ah.
sir.
Now
Yeah.
tell me, and it is given in the material, liability management. What are the liabilities which the probationary officer will be managing?
So, the liability that the probational officer will manage is the first of all the CASA, the current
Deposits. Deposits.
deposits, sir, deposits.
Majorly, that is the deposits which banks are receiving will be classified under the liabilities column of the balance sheet.
Okay,
The loans that banks are giving will be classified in the asset side of the balance sheet.
okay, okay, sir.
Understood? And capital and reserves are also shown under the liabilities.
Oh,
It
okay,
is
okay, sir.
because business is a separate entity and shareholders are treated as a separate entity. Please tell me what you know about RBI.
The RBI is the Central Bank of India. It is established in 1935 and it is nationalized on 1949 January 1st. And it is the apex body that regulates the banking system. And while talking about the functions of the RBI, it is it is responsible for the license issuing, expansion, and merging of the banks, and it's also lead the functions of the currency issue. Well, printing of the currency is doing by the RBA, and the foreign exchange is done by the RBA. And apart from that, the to control the economy in our market is economy in our society is controlled by the RBA itself.
What is the September month inflation? Retail inflation. What is it this month? September month.
I
Yesterday it
don't.
has come in papers 5.5.
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
5.5%. So it is on the higher side. Now,
yeah.
next question will be um, Tell me three ministers from Kerala cabinet.
Sir, like our Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and our Transport Minister Ganesh Kumar and our Finance Minister K.N. Balagopal.
Good. Can you name three ministers from Union cabinet?
Sir, sir, our Home Affair Minister Amit Shah and our Road and Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman.
Good. Who is the chief minister of Jammu Kashmir?
Um, sir,
Mr.
I,
Omar Abdullah. He has
yes,
taken charge recently.
yes,
Omar
sir.
Abdullah. Then, in which two states elections are going to take place in November?
Sir, Haryana.
Maharashtra and Jharkhand.
Okay.
13th in Jharkhand, 13th and 20th in Jharkhand, and Maharashtra on 20th. Elections are going to be conducted, and
Okay.
results will be known by 26th or so, something like that. Very good. Now, what is the problem with Canada?
Sir, actually, on July, the last July, this year July, like a Sikh preacher, Nijar was killed by, assuming that it was killed by Indians. So then the Canada, like suspended.
How do you say it killed by Indians?
Sir, like there's an assuming, like the Canada assumed that
No, no,
that
no.
it was
That you should say that Canada government is telling like this. You
okay.
simply tell this happened not in this year, last year, 2023. In the
Okay, sir.
year 2023, Nijar Singh was killed. He was a revolutionary leader asking for separation of Khalistan from our government, from our country.
Mhm.
So this one, our prime minister of our say um, Canada is telling that Indian government has been collecting information about the um, say those people, and they are responsible for killing of this person. That is why they wanted the envoys to leave the country, and India also repeated the same thing. Correct? Good.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. All the
Okay.
best. Go and appear for the interview with confidence. Tell the answers properly. Whatever you know, you answer. Whatever
Okay.
you don't know, you say, I don't know. But you should not be this much serious. You should look smiling on your face. Smile.
Okay, sir.
Smile. Good. Best wishes. You are one among the top rankers in our group. Though you have not been attending many of our no classes, you have never attended. Why you are not attending class?
And actually, I'm working in a startup. Like it is very hard to attend the class, and we only have the class on the evening, right? So I will my job will come but yeah, it's over in the midnight, like 10 or 11. So
Oh,
it
then
will.
it's okay. Fine. I don't find fault with you. Best wishes. I wish you success.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You
sir.
did well. You did well. I will give you 80 out of 100.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But much depends on luck.
Yeah, yes, sir, exactly.
Thank
Sir,
you.
can I ask you one thing, sir? Like, is
Yeah,
there any?
anything.
Yeah,
Anything you
sir.
ask.
Sir, is there any